Hey everyone, ever wonder why the Kawachi Adjustable Recliner Chair is a must-have for your home? Here's why. First, it offers a 360-degree swivel, perfect for multitasking around your space, whether it's gaming, working, or just relaxing. Secondly, the ergonomically designed frame supports your body comfortably for hours. Lastly, its durability. Made with thick, high-quality materials, it's built to last. So don't wait, get yours today and experience the comfort and flexibility it brings to your daily routine. Discover the ultimate in comfort and versatility with the Kawachi Adjustable 5-position Folding Recliner Floor Chair with 360-degree swivel. This innovative chair is designed to enhance your relaxation experience by combining multiple features into one stylish package. With its 5 adjustable positions, this floor chair lets you find the perfect angle for any activity. Whether you're sitting upright for reading, reclining for watching TV, or lying flat to unwind, the adjustable backrest ensures maximum comfort tailored to your needs. The 360-degree swivel feature adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to rotate and change your view effortlessly. This makes it ideal for socializing, watching different angles of the room, or simply adjusting your position without having to move the entire chair. Crafted with an ergonomic design, the Kawachi Floor Chair provides excellent back support, promoting proper posture and reducing strain during extended use. The high-quality cushioning offers plush comfort, making it suitable for long periods of sitting, reading, or lounging. When it's time to clean up or store away, the chair's foldable design makes it easy to pack up and put away. Its lightweight and portable nature means you can easily move it around your home, fitting seamlessly into any room or storage space. Upgrade your living space with the Kawachi Adjustable 5-position Folding Recliner Floor Chair with 360-degree swivel, and experience a perfect blend of style, functionality, and exceptional comfort. Whether you're enhancing your home entertainment setup or creating a cozy relaxation nook, this chair is the ideal choice for ultimate comfort and flexibility.